You sprinkle a little baking soda on your garden soil. Sounds harmless, right? Maybe even helpful. But what if I told you that single act might be disrupting an entire underground world? A microscopic city of organisms responsible for everything from nutrient cycling to your plant's immune system? And what if in trying to fix one problem, you're quietly creating another? Stick around because this isn't just about baking soda, it's about the invisible forces that make your garden thrive, or fail. Welcome to the wild world beneath your feet, where billions of microbes are working around the clock to keep your plants healthy. In this video, we're peeling back the layers of soil to reveal how one common household ingredient, baking soda, can tip the balance of this invisible ecosystem. We'll explore the science, the risks, the benefits, and whether you should ever use it in your garden. And trust me, the answers might surprise you. So keep watching this video to the end because I will give you a healthier solution. Let's begin underground. Soil isn't just dirt, it's alive. Teeming with bacteria, fungi, archaea, protozoa, each playing a unique role. Some break down organic matter, others fix nitrogen, and some even form partnerships with plant roots, trading nutrients like it's a microscopic stock exchange. Researchers at Nature Microbiology recently uncovered that these microbial communities are more than just helpful. They're essential. They buffer plants from stress, improve drought resilience, and regulate temperature responses. Imagine tiny guardians protecting your tomatoes from heat waves. But here's the twist, this delicate balance is easily disrupted. One wrong move, one unexpected chemical, and the entire system can shift. Which brings us to our wildcard baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is alkaline. It raises the pH of whatever it touches. And soil pH is everything when it comes to microbial life. Picture soil microbes like guests at a dinner party. Some thrive at pH 6.5, others prefer 7.5. Change the lighting, or in this case, the pH, and some guests start leaving. Nutrient availability shifts. Certain bacteria go dormant, others might overgrow. A 2023 study in soil biology and biochemistry confirmed that even small pH changes caused by baking soda can alter microbial composition and reduce nutrient cycling efficiency. Think of it like shaking a snow globe, except it's your garden's ecosystem. So what exactly happens when you apply baking soda to your garden soil? Researchers at Applied Soil Ecology in 2024 ran a controlled experiment. In plots treated with baking soda, they noticed two things. One, pathogens like Pythium, which thrive in acidic soils, were reduced. That's the upside. But two, beneficial fungi and nitrogen-fixing bacteria were also hit hard. That's the trade-off. It's a little like using antibiotics. Sometimes they help, but overuse, it wipes out the good along with the bad. I remember Sarah, a gardener in Denver, who used baking soda to fight off powdery mildew on her zucchini plants. It worked, but the next season, her soil seemed tired, her plants were slower, weaker. A test revealed the microbial activity had dipped dramatically. This is the ripple effect we need to talk about. Now, does this mean baking soda is always bad? Not necessarily. In highly acidic clay soils, a little alkalinity can improve drainage and reduce disease. It can suppress harmful fungi on leaf surfaces or act as a short-term fix for specific issues. But here's the catch, you need data. Always test your soil pH before experimenting. Home pH kits are inexpensive and easy to use. Once you know your baseline, you can make informed choices. If you're dealing with fungal outbreaks or soggy acidic beds, then sure, consider a targeted baking soda application. But follow it with compost or microbial inoculants to restore balance. In fact, research from Frontiers in Sustainable Food Systems, published in 2025, shows that composting and cover cropping are more effective long-term strategies to support microbial health than chemical amendments. I will now be discussing how to prevent problems naturally. Here's a better question. Instead of fixing problems with baking soda, how can we prevent them in the first place? The answer I will reveal shortly, so stick around and keep watching. I know that you find this video informative so far and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. Here is the answer: organic matter, compost, mulch, diverse planting. These feed the soil life, naturally balance pH over time, and help your garden become more resilient. Think of it as building an immune system for your soil. Want to boost microbial health? Try worm castings, mycorrhizal fungi powders, or even just letting leaf litter decompose on the soil surface. Nature knows what it's doing. So is baking soda a gardening villain? Not exactly, it's more like a scalpel. Useful in specific cases, dangerous if misused. Remember, soil microbes are the unsung heroes of your garden. Respect them, nurture them, and they'll reward you with healthier, stronger plants. If you've ever used baking soda in your garden, share your experience in the comments. Was it helpful, or did things go sideways? Remember to click like and subscribe, because what you can't see in your soil might just be the most important part. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a professional before starting any new or making any significant changes to your habits or lifestyle. It's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, and sometimes what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video, but until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this. Also, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.